Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the installation of Corectrl. So Corectrl is a utility to control the performance of your CPU as well as the integrated GPU. So this is available in lot many Linux distributions. You can install it in Arch, you can install it in Ubuntu, it will also install in Debian. So it is a very good utility. So it is we can say peer of CPU power. So most of the people have no CPU power. In CPU power you can also do the control of the your performance of your system, but it only controls the CPU, it does not control GPU. So for GPU control you have the prime profiles in NVIDIA for example, but there is no such application to do the control of your AMD GPU. So to do the control of your AMD GPU that is integrated, you can use this Corectrl. For NVIDIA, the separate application is already available. So the NVIDIA support is already there in all Linux distributions. But there was no application to control the AMD integrated GPUs. So for those who got the AMD integrated GPUs like Radeon card, you can use this Corectrl to control the performance of the AMD GPU that is integrated on your system along with the AMD processor. You can also do the control of I think Intel processor or CPUs also using Corectrl. So first we have to search whether the Corectrl is there in the Ubuntu repos or not. So whenever you want to install any application package, you have to search first whether the application package is there or not. So I did the search here. So it was available, you can see it here. It is available in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So then I did the installation. So it showed me which application packages will be installed. Some suggested packages were also shown, and following new packages are going to install. So I did the installation. It is pretty straightforward. Then the installation completed, and my suggestion is to always reboot the system after you install or uninstall any application package. So I will reboot now, and in the next video we will check out the Corectrl application in Ubuntu and how it does the control of CPU and GPU performance in Linux. Bye bye.